Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So this is the sixth part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word, and remaining parts I share on the description part and also at the end of the screen. So guys, now we'll move on to the content of this video. So our first word is compendium, that is a noun, and the meaning of this word is to. So first meaning is a publication containing the variety of work. That means a collection of the all everything, that means a collection of everything in a single content. So move on to the second meaning, that is concise but comprehensive summary of larger work. That means it is a brief but complete, brief and complete collection of the larger work. So synonyms are collection, summary, see here the summary we told, and example is a compendium of useful information about business. That means a collection of the useful information about the business. So see here I share the picture, that is a creativist compendium, and below that see here everything is mentioned like creative business, creative life, creative principles, creating money, creating meaning. That means this book collects everything that a person need for a development. So that's so the picture, the compendium meaning. And so now move on to the sentences. So our first sentence is, here is a music writer Randall Roberts compendium of songs that paint a panoramic portrait of Los Angeles in the 21st century. That means the Robert is a music writer, and he has a collection of the songs that paint the portrait of the Los Angeles. So move on to the second sentence. This book is a compendium of all the women you might like to see and be organized into category: inventor, healers, storyteller, etc. That means this book is the summary or collection of the all women type, that is inventors, healers, storyteller and others. So now move on to the third sentence. Henry's got an entirely different compendium of knowledge. That means the Henry has really a brief summary of the knowledge, but it is totally different. So now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So these are the 5 more sentences. I give a 10-second pause for these sentences. You can read, and after that we will continue the next word. Now move on to the second word, that is complaint. So complaint is a noun, and the meaning of this word is a statement that something is unsatisfactory or unacceptable. So that means a statement in which it's so that someone is not satisfied or not accepting the other action. So that statement is a complaint. So the synonyms are charge, objection, protest. The example, I intend to make an official complaint. That means I make a mind to make an official complaint. I want to make an official complaint. That also, intend means that you want. And see here a picture how a man is complaining about someone to the high authority. Sentences are, first sentence is, the university found a way to deal with her complaint without writing up a report or making any information available to the public. That means university found a way to deal with her complaint without writing any report or any public statement. So move on to the second sentence. It will forward the complaint to the company and work to get a response generally within 15 days. That means the complaint will be forwarded to the company, and for getting a response it will take within minimum 15 days. So our third sentence is, a spokesman for Carney said the governor legal team was reviewing the complaint. That means the governor legal teams are reviewing the charge sheet of this statement. So now move on to the 5 more sentences. So now move on to the third word. So that is complaint, and the complaint is adjective. So be careful about first, before one is the complaint and this one is the complaint. So there is a lot difference between both of the word. So complaint means willing to do what other wants. That means you are amenable, manageable, you are following the someone commands. Synonyms are amenable, tractable, manageable. So these are the synonyms. So move on to the example. The children complain with the parental will. That means the children are manageable, they follow the commands of their parents. So I share the picture here how an employees follow the command of their high authorities on the company. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is officials said the man returned compliantly to prison when asked to do so. That means officials said the man that come back to the prison when they said without any objection. So move on to the second sentence. The reality is that for any self-isolation or quarantine to work, we need to be a willing, even if just for now, to be a complaint. It means for self-isolation or quarantine to work, we need to be a disciplined, obedient, manageable, and follow the rules and regulation of the high authority or government. Third sentence is we don't want to be in a position to arrest people to be a complaint, Lightfoot said. And that means the Lightfoot said that they don't want to arrest the people who are manageable or amenable. So now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So now move on to the next word, and that is complacent. This one is a different, and this word is adjective, and the meaning of this word is showing a cheerful willingness to do favor for other. That means you want to do favor for other, that you want to help other for their work, and the synonyms are obliging, gracious, alacrity. And the example is he is more complacent to push this person. See here I share the picture and I make a sentence relevant to the picture. See, he asked that would you like a push, sir? That means how he is willing to help that man to fall from the top of the hill. So the sentences under this word are, first one is he is very complacent and civil and seems to me of a good nature disposition. That means he is willing to favor for other and a civil, and he appears to be a good nature. So move on to the second sentence. I recognize that I was casting someone who can't be a complacent. It's not in her DNA. She explained. She said that she is casting someone who is not cheerful or willing to do favor. So she said that it's not in her DNA. So move on to the third sentence. The foreigners are very well received there, and both the ladies and gentlemen are very civil and complacent. And that means the foreigners are well received there, and the ladies and gentlemen both are civil and willing person to do favor for other. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So now move on to the next word. So our next word is gullible, that is adjective, and the meaning of this word is knave, and easily believable. Naive means innocent and easily believable. And the other meaning is easily tricked because of being too trusting. That means easily cheat because of too trusting. And the synonyms are credulous, naive, unwary. So credulous means easily believing, naive means innocent, unwary means you are not careful about the any problem or incident. So these are the synonyms of gullible. And the example is at that early age she had been gullible and in love. That means at the early age she is innocent and easily believing and fall in love. So now see here a picture I share how a mouse is being tricked by a person by showing a food. Move on to the sentences. First sentence is children believe in Santa may be taken as evidence that they are gullible or unable to distinguish fantasy from reality. And that means the children believing in Santa that so that they are innocent and easily believing, so they are not able to distinguish the fantasy from the reality. So move on to the second sentence. I was just thinking, said the spider, that people are very gullible. The spider said that I was just thinking that people are really innocent and easily believing. So move on to the third sentence. I do, but you listen to the news. That's your problem. He answered and adding, you are so gullible. That means he say that I do, but you listen to the news. That's your problem. And adding that you are so gullible, that is easily believing. So now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So now move on to the last word of this video, that is guileless. It is adjective. So the meaning of this word is the innocent and honest, and the synonyms are ingenious, artless and open, and the antonyms are guileful and disingenuous. So these are the synonyms and antonyms. Move on to the example. His face was so open and guileless. That means his face is so open and innocent looking. So see here the picture how a baby is looking innocent and honest and cute. So move on to the sentences. The first sentence is on the most basic level. These are just good songs, but there was something else attractive about them. They appear to be completely guileless. So it means that at the basic level these songs are good, but there was something else attractive about them. That is these songs are totally and innocent and honest. So move on to the second sentence. In conversation he is nearly guileless and he listens intently and carefully. That means in conversation he is an innocent looking and honest, and he listens properly and carefully. Third one is the happy, open, completely guileless Dora might be able to survive the elements, but it's questionably whether she will survive high school. That means Dora, who is happy, open and innocent, might be able to survive the elements, but there is a question that she will survive the high school or not. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So guys, for this video this much only, and we'll continue for the next part. I share the remaining parts video, that is playlist, at the end of this video, and you will watch the remaining parts through that playlist. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.